Alright, I got something really cool. I gotta change the alternator in my car, 2008 Honda Civic Si, and I wanted to get one of these DEWALT ratchets, and it came with a free battery and charger. So let's see what this looks like. Charger. I think it came with two batteries, I think. So it's a 12 volt 5 amp hour. It's got one bar. Here's a little bit smaller one so you can get in the tight spaces, which is probably what I'm going to do with the car. I couldn't pass up if they gave you a free battery and charger with it, because they're all sold without batteries or chargers. So that's cool. Little 12 volt 3 amp hour battery. Let's see, now we got the charger. Sweet. See how much this one had. One. Alright. Can't wait. Keep that. Yeah, that's nice. That's really cool. And it's got two different size batteries, so that's good. Yeah, and the charger, if you're wondering, fits both batteries. So that's cool. Hopefully one of these works in my impact and my light. That's awesome. And it's got a little lock that you pull down, and it's got a light, and you push that thing up and down to lock it, and then change your direction that way. That's awesome. That's nice and slim, so I can get in the tight spaces of that Japanese car. So there it is. Definitely a good buy. They don't seem to do that too much where you get free battery and charger with the actual tool. It's usually tool only. It's crazy, but yeah, I can't wait to use this.